Vijay Kedia, a master investor who has invested more than 2000 crore rupees in the stock market, once found a small cap company, Sarah Sanitary Ware. Now, most of the market was ignoring the stock, but he bought the stock and he waited for 17 long years. And when he finally sold it, the returns were simply life changing.
I bought at 60 rupees. In 60 rupees shares till 2023, till December or say 2023 March, I got some 250 rupees as dividend. Okay, so you have got 4 times as a dividend. Your FD ka, everything is covered. So if I minus the dividend from 60 rupees, so my cost is zero. So if I calculate that even my cost is 1 rupee, now stock price is 8,000 rupees. It is after 1-to-1 bonus. So it is 16,000 rupees. So the stock has given us 16,000 times return in mere 17-18 years. So this is the magic of compounding, and this is the reward of your patience.
He did the same with Atul Auto. He saw potential where no one else did, and he invested in the stock and held it for over 2 decades. So he did not just catch the stock, he multiplied his wealth again and again, turning his tiny investment into a big portfolio. So this is the power of conviction, the power of seeing what others miss. But now what if I told you that the same master investor's portfolio recently faced a massive struggle? Vijay Kedia's portfolio is 38% down, and that is not due to market correction. It is falling down slowly and steadily. From its peak of 1900, Vijay Kedia's portfolio has now dropped to just 1100 crore rupees. Now most people here would panic. They would even sell, but not Vijay Kedia. He held on, and in some cases he even bought more. So this brings us to the most important question of today. What does Vijay Kedia see in 2026 that we are not? And let's decode this mystery together in this video. So, this is not just a story about market correction. This is a lesson in conviction. Now, Vijay Kedia's famous SMILE philosophy, small in size, medium in experience, large in aspiration, and extra large in market potential is what helps him in finding these hidden gems. But this philosophy is truly tested when the market turns against him.
How would Vijay Kedia describe his own investment philosophy?
Ramesh Babu, I am following one very simple philosophy and I call it SMILE. Okay, S stands for small in size, medium in experience, large in aspiration, and extra large market potential.
And when small and mid caps bleed, fear takes over and most of the retail investors run for the exit. But an investor who holds through a 38% drawdown in his portfolio is not playing for the next quarter. He is playing for the next cycle. So what is this cycle? Now, when you take a closer look at his portfolio, a powerful theme emerges. Now, this is not a bet on IT, consumption, or the latest AI hype. This is a deep, structural bet on India's capital expenditure cycle. So, let's break it down. Take affordable robotic and automation, for example. Now, this stock is down significantly. Still, Vijay Kedia holds a stake over 7% in the stock. Why? Because this company builds the robots that will power India's manufacturing upgrade. As factories and warehouses automate to become more efficient, this small company is positioned to ride the massive wave. Now, it is not a safe bet, but it is a structural one. Then we have Advait Energy, a strong performer in his portfolio. And this is not another renewable energy hype stock. This company is into power transmission, the essential backbone of our energy grid. See, India can build all of the solar plants that it wants, but without the transmission lines to carry that power, the grid simply won't work. And Advait Energy is a bet on that critical infrastructure, a theme that will play out over the next decade. So I am also planning to invest in this stock with very high targets. And at Rangavan Finance, you don't just get the buy price, target, stop loss, and we leave you on your own. Whenever a trade moves, you get real-time market updates. For example, if a target is hit, we immediately tell you to book profits. For example, exit 50% position. When a stop loss is hit, we inform you to exit the stock. And whenever we get a good opportunity, we send you a notification telling you clearly which stock to buy at what level. This means that you don't have to track the markets all day. You just have to keep an eye on the Telegram group notifications. Whenever an update comes, you just have to execute it. And along with the Telegram group access, you also get access to our website. Now on the website, you can clearly see which trades are currently active and which trades are already closed and which trades ended in profits or in loss. And at Rangavan Finance, we believe in complete transparency and disciplined execution, because at the end of the day, our focus is simple: your growth, our priority. Now coming back to Vijay Kedia's portfolio, he has also invested in companies like Om Infra and Patel Engineering. Now these are the boring businesses that build the nation dams, hydro projects, core infrastructure. Now they are not glamorous, but when a country enters a capex cycle, these are the companies that will quietly start compounding wealth. And finally, let us look at Yatharth Hospitals. Now this is my favorite one, and this stock is up over 50% with more than 2,300 beds and plans to add another 1,200. This stock is a pure play on India's growing healthcare capacity. And as the middle class rises and insurance penetration deepens, the demand for quality healthcare will only go up. And for hospitals, once the fixed costs are covered, every new patient directly adds to the bottom line. So this is a long-term capacity play and not a quarterly trade. So what does Vijay Kedia's portfolio tells us? It shows us a future built on physical India, a bet on the core sectors that will drive the country's growth for the next decade: automation, energy, infrastructure, and specialty healthcare. But before you get too excited and think about buying these stocks, remember 38% drawdown. Even a master investor has to face deep, painful volatility. So the real question is not whether the stocks will rise. The real question is, can you endure through the volatility? Can you hold on to your portfolio when it is 40% down? And can you tell the difference between a temporary dip or a permanent loss of capital? See, copying someone's portfolio is easy, but copying their conviction is next to impossible. And if you don't have experience in the market, then it is always better to take guidance, because when you are investing your hard-earned money, you should either have strong conviction about the stocks which you are holding, or at least someone who can guide you when the market gets volatile. During the recent market corrections, you might have seen the updates which we shared with our members. For both the Stability X Growth and Multi-Bagger Model portfolio members, we were constantly telling the investors that why the market is falling, why you should avoid panic selling, which stocks you should buy, which stocks you should down average, and which stocks you should avoid. You can also see the results. Both of our portfolios have beaten the market by a good margin. So our objective with both of these portfolios is very clear. In the long term, they should outperform the index. In simpler words, if the market or the index is giving around 12% returns, our aim is to generate 14% returns in Stability X Growth and 18% in the multi-bagger portfolio. And this is not a claim or a guarantee of returns. This is simply our aim or our objective that we consistently want to beat the market over time with disciplined investing. So if you are interested in joining the multi-bagger or the Stability X Growth model portfolio, you can first contact our team on the WhatsApp number shown on the screen. And then you can subscribe to our website, rangavan.finance, where your growth is our priority. So this was Sanika, MD at Rangavan Finance, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.